Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is actually in continuation with our previous one. That is, we will carry on the organoleptic evaluation of our further crude drugs, 3 crude drugs coming from the fruit origin. These drugs are Terminalia tubula, Sapindus trifoliatus, and Cuminum nigrum. The first one is Terminalia tubula. Its introduction is that its English name is Myabellar. Locally it is known as Harir. Family is Combretaceae, and we use its fruit, seeds and bark. Here we are going to evaluate the organoleptic evaluation of fruit of the Myabellar. Regarding pharmacognostic feature, the phytochemical constituent which are present in Harir are fixed oil. In fixed oil we have oleic acid, linoleic acid and palmitic acid. Apart from this, it contains large amount of tannins, that is 20 to 40%. Beta cetoasterol, another secondary metabolite which is important is anthraquinone. Vitamin C is also present, and a large amount of diversified amount of minerals also present, that is trace element, that is selenium, potassium, manganese, iron, copper. There are number of medicinal action and uses of Harir. It is used as an purgative, cathartic, astringent. Astringent are those drugs that are used to contract the organic tissue, thereby lessening secretions. Cardiotonic, piles, asthma, urinary complaints, flatulence. It is also used in colic pains. Latest research has been continued on the topic of medicinal action, exploring the medicinal action of Harir. One of the latest discoveries, it's used as an antiviral in herpes simplex infection. It is also exhibiting antioxidant activity, anti-tumor, and ongoing research in AIDS disease are also continued. It is used as a memory booster, increase appetite, anti-emetic, also used in enlargement of liver in combination with amla. It reduces cholesterol. Heal tissue growth. So if you perform its organoleptic evaluation, then you can see it that its texture is rough. External marking include multi-wrinkled surface. Apex is pointed. You can see it. Base is round. Clear elevation and depression on the surface. You can see it. Elevation, then depression, then elevation, then depression. And surface is dusty. Internal marking, seed is present. Texture is hard. Color is dark brown. Odor is sweet and sour, and similarly the taste is also the same. And shape is spatulate. Size almost 3 cm, 2.5. Okay, that's all about Harir. Now coming toward the next drug, that is Sapindus trifoliatus. English name is soap nut or soap berry. Local name is Rita. It is very famous drug. We have used Rita in different shampoos. Its family Sapindaceae. Its fruit, leaf and stem are used. Pharmacognostic feature: the phytochemical constituent contain oleic acid, tannins, protocatechinoic acid. Also contain the glycoside, sapindoside C, sapindoside D, sapindoside E. In addition of it, it also contains trifolosides. Medicinal action and uses: it is used in scabies, skin disease, as an astringent, used in shampoo, also act as an anti-lice. It is anti-inflammatory, that is it reduces inflammation. Anthelmintic, that is it kills the intestinal worms. Also used in eczema and cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is actually an autoimmune disease, and epilepsy. Its organoleptic evaluation is that its texture is rough. External marking: multi-wrinkled surface. Again, notch is present at the scar, rather is present at the apex. You can see it. Base is round, sticky surface, and white hair present on top. Internal marking: black seed present. Fracture is hard, incomplete with snap. Color is yellowish brown, dark brown. Odor is unpleasant. Taste is extremely bitter. Shape is round, and size is almost 1.9 centimeter. The third drug is Cuminum nigrum. English name is black cumin. Locally it is known as Kala Zira, also called as Shea Zira. Family is Umbelliferae. Its fruit are used. Phytochemical constituent: it contains volatile oil. You know the difference of volatile oil and fixed oil. Fixed oil basically do not evaporate at the room temperature, while volatile oil, they evaporate at the room temperature. These are also known as essential oil. They don't leave any spot on the paper, greasy spot. They don't leave any greasy spot at the paper, as we can observe in the case of fixed oil. Carbone, limonene, terpene. It also contains albumins and mucilage and vitamin B complex. There is a rich source of vitamin C coming from the nature, and also contain minerals, trace element like calcium, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. What are their medicinal actions? You know that it is a food condiment. It is used in our daily routine Pakistani cuisine, but quantity is very less. It is used as an stimulant, carminative, antispasmodic, antibacterial, sedative. It also controls diabetes, that is, it maintains the sugar levels. Astringent, it increases metabolism, body metabolism, perhaps because it have a number of trace element, minerals in it. You can see it, a lot of minerals are present and vitamins are present. So overall effect is the increase in the body metabolism. Also used as a memory booster. Now coming towards organoleptic evaluation. Its texture is rough. External marking: marginal surface, margins are present, lines are present, apex is pointed, thin stalk is present. Again, elevation and depression are present on the surface. Internally, When you break it, what you will see, a brown compact mass is seen. Fracture is soft and brittle. Color is brownish black. Odor characteristic condiment like. Taste is extremely bitter. And shape is crescent. And size is 0.3 centimeter. That's all about the 3 selected fruit drug which I have told you. And in the next lecture, inshallah, I will tell you about the some other fruit drugs.